Here we go. All right, let's go explore. We're going into the dinosaur world. One is ready to go, one is not.
I'm not ready to go. You're not.
Neither one wants to go see dinosaurs. Na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Welcome to Jurassic Park. We have the flying dinosaurs, we have the big dinosaurs, medium dinosaurs at Jurassic Park.
This is the poop babe. Got it? This is so weird. Got it? I said this is a poop babe.
Hey guys, look, I'm gonna tickle the dinosaur's belly. He's going. All right, let's go climb in the dinosaur's guts. Here we are in the dinosaur's guts. Want to give him a belly ache? Come on, come with me.
Okay, I'm just gonna go through and see.
Okay.
2, 1.
Watch the pipe. Go, go, go. Nice, Lily. I'm giving the dinosaur a heart attack. Get it? Get it? No, no one thinks I'm funny. How's that looking, Lily?
50th time's a charm. Woo! Yay! Daddy for the win! Nice, Zeke.
The earthquake machine. Go for it, kids.
What the earthquakes were like in different times, and so this is one of the earthquakes that California, I don't know if it necessarily is California.
Earthquake machine. All right, you can hop off if you're done. All right, Lily, we got to avoid the lasers. So you got to crawl under this laser, and I'll step over it. You see it? Crawl under. Good, good, good. Make your way to that wall. Hit that button on the wall. Jump over that laser. And then jump back over. Oh, no, we hit the one laser. Hit it. Jump over. Hit the wall. We did it! Let's watch them. I don't think they're doing as well as you did, Lily. I don't think you did as well as we did.
I did not know what I was supposed to be doing.
You were trying not to touch the lasers.
No, I thought that, but I didn't know what I was supposed to be touching.
There's a spider in there.
Is there? Well, you got to be brave and go through.
Yeah.
I'll come with you. Go with you. Let's do it together. You go first, though.
Help me.
She's doing the bed of nails, folks. Is she being skewered alive? Does it feel good?
I forgot. A little pokey, but it doesn't hurt.
Lifting you up!
Crazy?
Whoa!
Just stay flat.
He's on a bed of nails.
It hurts.
It's going back down. You're surviving. All righty, get it.
Do these.
Dun 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 dun. So coming out of the fish area, my son said this. He goes, can we go away from the fish? And then as we walked, my wife goes, I don't like the fishy smell. Welcome to the Science Center. They had a worm exhibit, and all I could think is, I got worms. That's what I'm gonna call it. Ow! Let me try again. Ow! Whoa! All right, talk to the whale, Lily. Hello, whale. What is it, Zeke?
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man doing what? Eating his ghost. An underwater sea agency. I think we're.
That's a really fun thing.
I think we're
They
good.
can learn a lot.
One of the funnest things to do is to go to the grocery store. And one of the second funnest things to do is to go to the grocery store with your kids. So one of the third funnest things to do in your entire is to go to a fake grocery store and have to solve riddles with your kids at a fake grocery store. 20 miles an hour. We got cows. Look, Lily, there's a rocket. We're in a rocket ship. Mommy's not joining because it smells. All right, let's head back down. So when she goes to places she likes to give people a pink ribbon. Is it okay if we give you guys a pink ribbon? We've been filming them and calling them Lily's Pink Places. So she gives them when she really likes places. So, oh, that's so cool. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
If you like this video and want to see more family content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.